Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Photo Editor. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find photos that has been backed up previously and the photos from your phone will. Select the photo and open it by tapping on it, whichever photo that you want to edit. Now once you do that, on the bottom of the screen, you can see options like share, edit, cleanse and delete. Just tap on edit. Under edit, you can see you can crop it. You can use different tools like blur, sky, color focus. You can adjust its brightness, contrast, white point, highlights, etc. You can even add filters there and just tap on save on the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you use Google Photo Editor. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.